A warm welcome to this session on Install a rooftop solar panel mounting structure for 1 kilowatt installation that uses solar panels 350 watt multiplied by 4 numbers. At the end of this session, you will be able to install 1 kilowatt solar panel mounting structure.
Tools and instruments or equipments. Pillar mounts quantity 2 numbers. Connecting frames quantity 2 numbers. Swinging rod quantity 2 numbers. Angle adjusting rods quantity 2 numbers. Panel fitting arms quantity 8 numbers. Toolkit, mounting screws, bolts and nuts, washers, anchor bolts. Tools, drilling machine, magnetic compass, marking pen and nail, thread, measuring tape, ruler, PPE kits. Install 1 kilowatt solar panel mounting structure. The roof suitable for installation of solar photovoltaic. The solar resource high enough. Installed capacity could fit on the roof. The energy could be 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic system deliver. A rooftop solar photovoltaic installation comprises of photovoltaic panels assembled in arrays, mounting frames to support the panels and secure them to the roof, wiring, inverters and the other components depending on the types of installation. Marking base of pillar mount on rooftop. Follow carefully the steps for making foundation on rooftop. Wear necessary PPE kits. Collect all elements of pillar mount on the rooftop. Collect all tools on the rooftop. Use compass and mark true north and south poles. Draw a line connecting north and south poles points. Connecting north and south marked points. Place the pillar mount aligned to the connecting lines. Mark the holes of base on ceiling. Draw a parallel lines in the direction of north-south at a distance as per the drawing. Place the second pillar. Mark the holes of second base on ceiling. Remove the pillar mounts. Verify the dimensions and parallelism before going to drilling on rooftop for pillar mount base. Drill holes on the marking for both pillar bases. Hammer the anchor bolts on the holes. Fixing the pillars on rooftop. Keep the pillar mount aligned to the anchor bolts and fix nuts. Mark parallel to the first pillar mount and repeat the above steps for second pillar. Fix the second parallel pillar and fasten the nuts. Check the parallelism between pillars. Assemble remaining components on the pillar mounts on rooftop. Finished pillar mount. Assemble swinging rods to the top of pillars. Assemble angle adjustment link rod between pillar and swinging rod. Assemble connecting frames between swing rods over the pillars. Leave the frames assembled to incline towards south. Do not tighten all the bolts. Additional mounting kits. Varieties of mounting systems are also in use, so that based on type of roof, the type of system is selected. Rock mount, flush mount, roof mount, wall mount, pole mount, ground mount and ballast mount are common. Building integrated mounting are designed for green buildings. Set up solar panels 350 watts into 4 numbers on the mounting structure. Wear the PPE kit necessary. Use the finished structure for pillar mount on rooftop. Assemble the panels over the frames with the panel facing south at desired angles. Check all fittings for correctness. Check the wind gap between solar panels. Secure tightness on base to roof and pillar to frame, bolts and nuts. Secure tightness on the panels to frame fitting points.
Recap. In this session, we have learnt how to install 1 kilowatt solar panel mounting structure. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.